Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to delete Calendly account. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to calendly.com and you'll be greeted by a screen like this. Now, after that, you just need to go and log into your profile guys, or guys, of course, if you have a profile already, or if you don't have already, you can go and register to Calendly. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and see what they actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the top right corner, we have the Calendly button, the Create button, we have the Events, we have the Upgrade Plan, and the Admin Center. Also, in the top right corner, as you can see, we have everything about your profile. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and delete a Calendly account. So guys, first of all, what you can go and watch is how to create a Calendly account, which you can see on our YouTube channel, so you don't have worries about that. But now guys, let's see what you need to do. So basically, you have to go and click on the top right corner that we talked about earlier, where you have a lot of options about your profile. Now here, what you need to go and click is not all settings, but you just need to go and click on your profile, so on the profile button. When you click there, you need to go and scroll down to the end of the screen, and here you will have a delete account button. You just need to go and click delete button, put the reason why you want to delete it, click yes delete, and your account, as you can see, has been deleted. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found it very informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye guys.